Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming Chrome is up to date. Open Settings, go to About, and update if needed. Once done, sign into the profile that will hold Flixmate so preferences sync correctly. Then open the Chrome Web Store and search for Flixmate. You're looking for the official listing. Don't install unknown builds. Verify publisher name and ratings. This first step reduces later permission confusion and ensures the extension integrates with your existing bookmarks and profiles. Click Add to Chrome and read the permission prompt before approving. This explains what data Flixmate accesses. After installation, pin the extension to the toolbar so you can open it quickly. This prevents hunting through menus later. Next, open the extension's options or settings page. Set your default language, preferred playback speed, and any keyboard shortcuts. These choices affect how Flixmate interacts with streaming sites, so take a moment to match them to your workflow. This saves time each session. Now test Flixmate on a supported streaming site. Load a video, then activate the extension and confirm controls appear. If it doesn't work, disable other extensions that modify page scripts. Ad blockers and privacy tools often block functionality. Once done, try reloading the tab or restarting Chrome. If problems persist, open Chrome Task Manager and the Developer Console to spot errors or conflicts. Copy any error text and use it when contacting support. This approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.